Hi guys, my name is Jassi and I'm from Chandigarh. Let me tell you, my English speaking is very good. But when it comes to Ielts, getting a 8777, it was a huge challenge for me. I attempted Ielts exam twice and both the times I was disappointed. But let me tell you, recently I was just scrolling the YouTube videos and I came across Mr. Ramandeep Singh's YouTube channel, and in that channel sir was giving some tips regarding speaking, writing, and after that I viewed few more videos of his and I got really inspired and I thought of contacting sir. Trust me, the moment I called him, I felt so relaxed. He's such a humble man and he answered each and every doubt I had in my mind regarding Ielts. I was in fact so demotivated that appearing one more time was a big challenge for me. It was something I would never ever think of because I thought it's a waste of money if I don't get the desired scores right now, and might be I can even give up the plan of going abroad. But when I spoke to him, he assured me that I can crack Ielts very easily, and he motivated me a lot, and I took up the classes, the one-on-one training session that he recommended. And after taking one-on-one session with the trainers, I realized that I have that capacity and capability to get the scores. And trust me, after taking the one-on-one coaching, my scores rocketed from 6.5 to 7.5 in writing as well as in reading and speaking. My morale was boosted and I was able to go to a level beyond 8. And although all sorts of trainings in the field of Ielts is available these days, you can get the material from YouTube and there are various sources from where you can get the training. But if you want quality training, you should contact Mr. Ramandeep Singh. Once again, I thank Raman sir who helped me to get my dream score. Thank you.